Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it on so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord, where we give free daily signals there. Also we kill it. Let me show you something today, what happened here. Today also we enter a short as you see it, and look at the earning. We give even the reason why we enter. Look at the earning of today. You see it or no? As you see, 25% earning by leverage x20, guys. Even you can do the same thing with us. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, you remember yesterday what me I told you here at that level here? What me I told you? Before that red candle will happen today, we used to have here only that green candle, which is here, that one. Let me zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you. Yesterday it used to be just that green candle here, and me I told you it's not yet to enter for long-term trading. Why me I told you it's not yet? Because of this. Let me show you why. I bring those moving averages here, and I told you also we still stuck here between the 50 moving average and the 100 moving average. Yes or no? So for us to enter long, it's need the market to give us here a clear picture. And why me I told you here? Because I look at the history, same thing here. You see it or no? Same thing here. It happened here today. Today it give us here a red candle. It's going to fall down more than that. Remember my word. To where? We don't know exactly. Maybe to the 100 or the 200. What me I told you here. People they being with us. Also we buy 25% from our capital when we touch here the 50 moving average. Yes or no? And I told you when we are going to touch the 100 moving average here, we need to buy another 25% from our capital. Yes or no? Yes. And I told you if it fall down here and touch the 200 moving average, we're going to buy 25% from what it left. 25% here. What it left, let's said, I don't know how much you got. It said here, you got $100. You buy $25. How much you left with? 75. It fall down here. You need to buy 25% from what it left. It fall down here. You need to buy 25% from what it left in your capital. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So here in the daily, what shall we do? At this time, there is nothing to do. We just need to wait, and because today, as majority of you and people in my Telegram and my Discord, they know that today it's coming very, 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 very huge news. It's coming the CPI data. Another thing here, the market, he tried to give us here another wage, guys. Look at it. You see it or no? Now the trend line here is very, very highly accurate like last time here. You remember last time people they been with us, they remember the trend line here. When it's breaking here, we went with it. Look how many profit we make. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that's what we got here. We got the CPI data. The CPI data, everyone, he know it is going to come negative this month. It's going to come 3.3, and last month it used to be just 3%. That's very, very, very bad news for market. Why? CPI data, when it came positive, we're going to see the US dollar is going up more. That means Bitcoin is going to fall down, and everything is going to fall down. That's a scenario. Second scenario, we don't know it. Maybe it's going to do a correction against the market. Then after that, we're going to see another drop. So be ready, guys. Don't open any trade. Always if you are a long term, that it doesn't change nothing with you. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And down here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day. You remember Monday candle? Yes or no? What me I told you about Monday candle? It's being green. Look at US stocks. That 2 days also we are falling down. Should we buy? Not yet. We need to wait more. When is it a signal? I'm going to give it to the people in my Discord. And you, if you want to join us, the link of our Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome. And here is our friend, is the VIX. Look at it. It's still that 15. Yes, also we're breaking back from that 17 lower, but even 15, it's still a little bit higher, guys. So be careful. US dollar is still going up because the inflation data which is coming, and everyone he knew it is going to come negative. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what may I told you here yesterday? Same thing I told you. It's always repeating itself. Yes or no? That's what I told you yesterday. It wasn't those candles. It was just that red candle here. And I told you the Bitcoin is going to fall down because over here is the 100 moving average. And the Bitcoin it give us here. Let me show it to you what the Bitcoin give you there. Let's zoom it a little bit. What you see in here? A double top. It came to it and he couldn't break it up. So he gave us here a M or a double top. He breaking the neckline in lower time frames. That's why also we enter short. Yeah, enter early from here, from the top, because in 5 minutes it give me a head and shoulder and it's breaking the neckline. Now that candle, what happened here? You see it or no? That candle, where it happened? When the Bitcoin touch here, those moving averages, it happened that candle here. So what that indicating? Maybe we're going to see another going up because as you see down here, the 50 moving average is crossing above the 100 moving average. Should we enter long at this time for swing trading? Not yet. We need to wait in a little bit. We need the market to come to break the last high, which is here, that one here. For you to enter long, it's need the market to come to break that high here. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. Another thing you can do even here, a trend like that, and you go in lower time frames, it's going to be more clear and more accurate than here in 4 hours. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator. What is it saying? Our indicator after yesterday here, and may show you the level where it used to be like before. Now it fell down, it touched here that wall, he couldn't break it. That's still very healthy thing here because the Bitcoin he prefer to stay where is the bulls they controlling. Yes or no? Look at that. The bulls here they controlling. Should now we enter long? Not yet, because also we enter short because we used to have here a divergence in 4 hours. That way also we enter short. Here it's need either to break down here for us to continue with it, or the market to go back up to overbought area. In that time also we're going to enter along with it. So now there is nothing new, guys. You need to wait in more till the right time. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our indicator. What is saying? The one here, it touch here the overbought area. It give us here a price action. Also we enter a short here. Over here we're protecting ourselves now. We don't care what's going to happen. And now if it go up and breaking the last high, which is here, we're going to enter long, even if it's that one here at the overbought area, because that's a part of the game, guys. So now we enter long now. Also we waiting that neckline which is here. Look at it, that one here. If it came up 4 hours like that, breaking above here, we're going to enter along, guys. Because if you remember, also we used to have here the trend line here. We get broke here. Market, he went up here. He fell down. He tested here. He couldn't break it down. Now he go up. He need to break for us that last high, which is here. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. Now, let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, me I enter a short because here market in 5 minutes give me here a head and shoulder. I know here in 30 minutes it's not clear, but in 5 minutes it was very clear. Here in 30 minutes market he give us here a double top like that, as you see it. He bring in the neckline. We enter a short. First take profit it was here. He bring it. We move stop loss to entry point now, and also we waiting. Now here at that level here, market he give me here a double bottom here, and he's breaking the neckline here. So in normal days we'll have a enter long, but me I haven't enter long. Why? because the coming news which is going to come today, guys. That's why me haven't entered long from here. So guys, it's not yet. You need to wait until the right time. And here, market, he tried to give you here like a small flag, guys. Look at it, like a small flag here. And the 4 hours is going to be very, 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 very clear here. Look at it. That's the flag me I'm talking about. You see it or no? If it came and break in here, do what? You need to enter long, guys. Remember those things. If it came and break in here, we need to enter long, but that it will not break in today. Maybe tomorrow after the news came, or maybe another scenario, because even that one it's possible. It might from here to fall down to break that last low which is here, and the market to give you here a very, very, very big head and shoulder like that. So even that one you need to be focused about it. The neckline for that one is going to be here at that level. You see it or no? So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's get our indicator what it's saying. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it touch here the oversold area level, as we used to be in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it. We'll dive here when it's breaking here, we'll dive we enter long, but also we haven't entered long because I told you why. Because of the news. Because the time of news, no technical analysis it's working. It always happen like that, madness like that. That's why me there is no entry today. There is a resting. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for that video, and please guys make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.